How to change habits, stepwise approach. Don't be harsh on yourself. If you aim to quit a habit or adopt a new one, a sudden hard mode may exhaust at the start of the journey. Instead, it is better to chalk out a plan and follow a stepwise approach to reach the goal. Here's how you can trick your mind into leaving a bad habit and adopting a healthy lifestyle. 1. Self-awareness. The onset of transition starts from self-awareness. You must identify the habit you want to quit and alternate the habit or lifestyle you want to adopt. Understanding the triggers and rewards associated with a specific habit is essential. This self-awareness allows you to gain insight into the root cause of your habit, which is the base of an effective modification. 2. Set clear goals. If your goals are vivid and unclear, you will likely lose motivation somewhere in the middle. Make sure your goals are feasible, specific, measurable, and time-bound. The clarity of purpose and will to achieve your goals keeps you motivated throughout the journey. 3. Replace. Don't eliminate. If you are harsh on yourself, you will likely be exhausted and leave the task. Instead, be gentle on yourself. Try to replace your bad habits with lesser ones, and then completely cut them off. It is human nature that sudden shifts may result in mental stress and despair. Gradual change makes the transition smoother and less daunting. 4. Develop consistency. Consistency is the key to habit modification. To establish a new habit, commit to repeating the desired behavior regularly. It takes a gradual shift in behavior daily to set and achieve a new practice. Research suggests that it takes an average of 66 to 90 days to form a new habit, so be patient and persistent. 5. Create a support system. Refrain from fighting alone, or you will be frustrated to quit early. Seek support from friends, family, or support group. Sharing your goals and progress with others makes you confident and keeps you motivated to reach the goal.